Good morning, welcome back to another Designer's Den. Doug and I, my name is Ashley, we are going to be talking about layering accessories.
Well, let's jump in, Ashley. And what do we have here today?
An Italian leather sofa.
When I'm accessorizing, I like to have lots of options. Are we ready to show the next level of layering?
Yep, we're going to add another layer.
And we're back.
I see some more color, I see some more texture. We added the chair. We're going to add our third and final layer. All right, here we are. This is our third and final layered accessory look.
It's a nice look. Definitely in the maximalist kind of feel, right?
Yeah.
I think that goes to, it's going to be different for all of us, right? So figure out what works for you and make it comfortable for you. And as always, everything you can see here and more, you can find at AFW.com.